Welcome back to Melita's Delicacies. Friends, today I have for you a popular Goan dish, that is the chicken xacuti, but with Melita's twist. This was a recipe that was in demand for quite a long time now, so here I present to you. So today, let's make chicken xacuti using ready-to-use chicken xacuti powder and with a twist of using coconut milk instead of regular roasted coconut. Now this is a twisted chicken xacuti recipe, not the authentic one. If you want an authentic one, I'm giving a link in the description below. Do watch. So let's marinate the chicken with half tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and 2 tablespoons of my chicken xacuti masala. Now this is freshly made chicken xacuti masala and it is very aromatic and your chicken turns out delicious always. And until I marinate my chicken and let it rest for 30 to 40 minutes, do subscribe to my channel for more interesting and exciting recipes that I upload, and do watch the authentic Goan Xacuti recipe that I am giving the link in the description below. And don't forget to like, share and to hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Set this chicken aside, and until then I will extract juice of freshly grated coconut. You may use Tetra Pak coconut milk as well. This ready to use xacuti masala comes very handy when you do not have time for elaborate preparation, but you get the same authentic Goan flavor. So here I have taken 2 cups of freshly grated coconut, to which I will add 2 cups of water and extract thick coconut juice, and I will repeat the process the second time, but I will keep both the extracts separately. Now into your vessel goes 3 tablespoons of oil. To it I add 2 large onions diced. Add a pinch of salt so that they turn translucent quickly. Fry the onions till they are slightly translucent. To it add 2 large tomatoes and saute them till they are nice, soft and mushy. Now to this add 2 sprigs of curry leaves. Saute them as well. And now add your marinated chicken and give it a nice good stir. Now to this add half of your second extract of the coconut milk. Mix it again, cover and let it cook for about 5 minutes. Stir the chicken once again, you see. Now add the remaining of the coconut milk of the second extract. Altogether it was about 1 cup and quarter. Stir it again well. Let it come to a boil, and once done, add to it potatoes. This is totally optional, but I like the potatoes from the chicken xacuti. Potatoes were usually added, I suppose, in any of the dish to make the dish substantial, so it's totally optional. At this stage, I'm also going to add another tablespoon of the xacuti masala. Give it a good stir and cook. Let it simmer till the chicken is 80% cooked. Chicken is almost cooked now. Do the taste test, add seasonings if required. At this stage, add the thick coconut milk. Add as required. It is about 1 cup right now that I have. Give it a mix and Simmer it on medium flame for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now add a generous amount of freshly chopped coriander. Give it a stir and let it cook for another 1 or 2 minutes more. The meat looks well cooked now. You can see that the flesh has started to separate from the bones. So that means the chicken is well cooked. And here your delicious chicken xacuti with coconut milk is ready to be relished. Turn off the flame, cover it and let it rest for 5 minutes so that the flavors settle down. Do try it at home and don't forget to leave your feedback in the comments section to tell me how your xacuti turned out. So with some hot Goan rice, bread, poi or the curry of this can also be used to make rosamelette. It turns out delicious, friend. Try this chicken recipe and use the curry to make rosamelette. It turns really delicious. Thank you for watching. See you next week with yet another interesting recipe. God bless.